afternoon. My name is Katie. I'll be your captain for today. We're also going to travel a little bit on all three of our rivers as well. We just left our Station Square dock and we're presently headed upstream on the Monongahela River. Now, the Monongahela River flows 128 miles, getting its start in Fairmont, West Virginia, and flows north its entire way here to the city of Pittsburgh. Now, the Monongahela is one of the two rivers we use the number one river crossing in Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh also happens to be one of the largest inland ports in the nation, and the Ohio River sees more freight moved up and down per year than the amount of freight that goes through the Canal Canal. And even though this river is 325 miles long, only the first 72 are navigable, and that's all the way up to East Brady, Pennsylvania. By the word navigable, what I mean is that the Army Corps of Engineers guarantees we're going to pass on it. This is the 14 Bridge. It's another double deck highway bridge. Connects the downtown district on the right with the North Shore on the left. This bridge also framed itself and it came back on its being built. It's called the Bridge to Nowhere. The reason being is it started building in 1960. This ballpark is considered the most intimate ballpark in the major league, with the season capacity of just a little under 39,000. Lawrence Convention Center. It's the second convention center to set on the same site and bear the same name. Upon this one's completion, a triple B exhibition space is the 16th largest in the world. There's also is the Roberto Clemente Bridge. He's a late great right fielder for the Pittsburgh Pirates, also a wonderful humanitarian. The second bridge out ahead is the Andy Warhol Bridge. He's a pop icon artist. And the third bridge is the Rachel Carson Bridge. She was an environmental activist that had her hand in the creation of Greenpeace. She also because the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center rents over 50% of the building, so it gives them the right to have their name on the side of it. Also, UPMC happens to be the largest employer here in Allegheny County. Sitting behind Station Square is a set of black tracks running up the hillside. That is the Monongahela Incline. One of only two inclines remaining on the side of Mount Washington. At one time there were 17 of them, and they used to bring the mine coal from the side of the mountain down to the steel mills below. But they have been converted into passenger cars, and for a small fee you can get around to that. Make sure everyone's getting your coffee.
it.